True luxury isn't born overnight. Every single drop of this liquid spent nearly 2 decades waiting in the dark. Millions of barrels sit in total silence, undergoing a chemical exchange that cannot be rushed by any modern machine. From a simple field of grain to an intricate tapestry of 80 distinct flavor notes, the evolution is a masterclass in patience. This is the heart of Speyside, a place where heavy machinery and historic craftsmanship compress decades into a single pour.
The process begins in the earth. Only the highest grade malting barley is selected to undergo the transformation into premium spirit.
If the moisture profile varies by even 0.5%, the entire delivery is turned away. Precision starts at the gate.
Water from pristine local springs is added to mimic the natural conditions of spring rain, forcing the sleeping seed to awaken.
Inside the growing seed, internal enzymes are unlocking the complex starches, setting the stage for alcohol creation.
Growth must be stopped at the exact second the starches convert, preserving the maximum possible sugar content for the mash.
The stabilized malt rests in towering silos, awaiting its date with the massive milling rollers that will crack it open. A perfect balance is critical. Too fine, and the mash turns into an unmovable paste. Too coarse, and the sugars wash away. This is where the chemistry accelerates. Hot spring water washes over the crushed grain, pulling out every ounce of sweetness. The solid husks are left behind, leaving a pure, intensely sweet liquid known to distillers as wort.
The liquid must be cooled immediately. If it enters the fermentation tanks too hot, it will destroy the live yeast cells.
Traditional wooden washbacks are used here. Unlike steel, the thick wood insulates the liquid against external seasonal changes.
The introduction of live yeast triggers a violent reaction, converting raw sugars into standard carbon dioxide and raw alcohol.
The liquid boils without heat. The yeast works non-stop for over 2 days, driving the mixture to its maximum potency.
Fermentation is officially complete. The liquid is now ready to meet the fires of the copper distillation house.
Inside the wash still, the liquid is boiled. Because alcohol vaporizes at a lower temperature than water, it rises upward. The copper itself acts as a natural filter, pulling away heavy sulfur compounds to keep the spirit light and smooth. Cold water surrounds the copper tubes, shocking the hot vapor back into a clear, concentrated liquid form. The result of the first distillation is called low wines. At 25% alcohol, it requires a second pass. The second distillation is where the final character of the Chivas malt spirit is meticulously chiseled out. Only the middle portion of the run, the heart, is kept. The rest is recycled back into the system for reprocessing. This is new make spirit. It is completely clear, highly potent, and carries the foundational DNA of the distillery. The wood is just as important as the grain. These white oak casks will contribute over half of the final flavor. The spirit is pumped in at a precise strength, beginning its 18-year sentence inside the oak walls. With a single strike, the barrel is sealed. The air inside will not see the light of day for nearly a generation. The barrels are moved to traditional stone warehouses, where cool temperatures and high humidity slow down evaporation. Year after year, the wood breathes. It removes aggressive notes while imparting rich vanillin, tannins, and deep amber color. 18 years have passed. The clear water and fiery spirit have been fully transformed into an ultra-luxury liquid.
The long wait is over. The barrels are emptied, bringing together distinct malts from every corner of Scotland.
A master blend requires balance. Fine-grain whiskies provide a smooth canvas for the robust single malts to shine.
Inside this giant vat, 80 unique flavor notes are married together under the watchful eye of the master blender.
Consistency is the ultimate test. The blend must taste exactly the same today as it did decades ago. The batch is approved.
To ensure the luxury whiskey remains perfectly clear even when served over ice, it undergoes chill filtration.
Driven through high-density cellulose pads, the liquid emerges perfectly clear, polished, and bright.
Every step is controlled by automation. Removing dissolved oxygen stabilizes the liquid, preserving the delicate aromatics.
No external element can enter the system. The bottles are washed and cleared by machine logic in milliseconds.
Precision filling heads dispense the liquid to the exact milliliter, ensuring absolute uniformity across millions of bottles. The natural cork seal is driven home with mechanical force, securing the pristine flavor profile for decades to come.
Machine vision systems inspect every bottle in a flash, instantly rejecting any unit that does not meet the standard.
The gold foil capsule is rolled onto the glass, providing tamper-evident security and completing the top profile. The labeling line applies the historic crest, transforming a bottle of aged spirit into a globally recognized luxury statement. A unique code is permanently etched into the glass. If a bottle travels anywhere in the world, its origin remains traceable.
Technology does the heavy lifting, but human hands conduct the final check. Perfection is the only passing grade.
The bottle must be dry. Any trapped moisture inside the final luxury carton could ruin the presentation box.
The container matches the content. The premium gift box is assembled by machine precision to ensure a perfect fit. Handled with care, the finished bottle is seated into its custom-molded tray, locking it securely in place. Every bottle carries its story. The enclosed guide details the complex heritage of the 80 malts inside the blend. Closed and locked, the individual unit is now structurally complete, ready to be grouped into heavy shipping cases. Individual bottles are grouped into rugged shipping cases, built to withstand ocean voyages and cross-continental freight. Sealed under pressure, the case is marked for distribution, locking out moisture and securing the high-value load. Automation handles the load. The robot stacks the cases in an interlocking grid pattern to ensure absolute stability.
Wrapped tight in protective film, a single pallet holds hundreds of bottles, ready to ship out to luxury markets worldwide.
This is the scale of modern luxury, a continuous stream of engineering excellence, turning years of aging into global supply.
The metrics prove the precision. High-efficiency targets are met daily through automated line coordination.
Every single pallet holds a story 8 years in the making. From this room, they depart to the finest lounges across the globe.
And this is how modern factories produce Chivas Regal 18 from start to finish, from raw Scottish barley to the final signature glass bottle.